जो जब ये हालात बने थे, आपकी ओपनिंग जो टाइम थी वो काफ़ी बेहतरीन रही थी, लेकिन उसके बाद जिस तरीके से आपने मोमेंट कैरी किया उसके बारे में क्या कहना?
We have always discussed team roles, right? And the role play of every player, right? So I've been given a role to take maximum overs, and keep rotating the strike and play of innings. So I have that luxury, luckily, because we have a lot of power hitters, and if you see the kind of start, the first 6 overs, and hardly I got any runs, because Kabir dominated the bowling. So it became very easy for me, it took off pressure for me. Then similarly, even with Dilip Bhai, we had a good partnership, and there also we scored those crucial runs, which was not putting too much of pressure. My whole idea was to just stay, and I knew that the wicket was tough, because it was stopping and coming and it was turning. So I said that running was very crucial. So I said that one person has to carry on the innings, and that till the end. So that is what I decided to do, and then of course in the last over I had to go to hit and I got out. But yeah, the wicket was a little tricky.
ओवरऑल when you look at this मैच, जो पहली इनिंग में जो पहले 10 ओवर थे उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा रन जो है वो बन गए, लेकिन उसके बाद जो गेंदबाजों ने वापसी कराई उसके बारे में क्या कहना?
No, definitely they were getting important times that they were getting wickets, and that was putting brake on the scoring. And of course also I said that the wicket was not very easy, the ball was not coming that well. So, and we were of course not getting those boundaries. But we knew that once we crossed around about 170, 180, I mean anything above that, it is going to be challenging. It's not going to be easy for sure. So that is exactly what happened, and we ended up winning this match.
And sir, how you will rate the performance of Parag Mehta ji for claiming 4 wickets? और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने जो कैच पकड़ा, that was the turning point of the match.
Of course. So, I mean, Parag, honestly, this is his first season over here, and I think he's debuted today. But apparently, he has a very good line and length. It is very deceiving for the batsman to go. It looks very easy, but it is not that easy. And especially on this wicket, definitely it is not easy. And that is why he could maximize the whole opportunity given to him, and he could deliver. And of course, the catch was very important. The bowling discipline was very good. So it was definitely he did a very good job for us in winning this for the match.
So, congratulations to you and wish you all the best for the next match. तो काफ़ी कमाल की परफॉर्मेंस रही है सर की, सर एक फोटो
क्या है?
तो इसी के साथ मैन ऑफ द मैच का खिताब ये हमारे सर को जाता है, सोहेल जी को।